Good afternoon, this is Keith All, and today's tutorial will be on how you can add a footer menu that links to other pages to your website using the Builderall platform. So here I'm just on my main page in the editing portion of my website, and if I scroll down, there's an area where you can have a footer. So our main object is to be able to create a footer menu, have that menu linked then to other pages to my site. So I've already created the other pages. So what I could do is come over here to the left menu, click on this plus sign, and find the menu option over here. So I'm going to click on that, and you have a number of different options that you can choose from, a number of different styles. I won't go into that today, but I'm just going to select a style, and then as you can see, it put an element here on my page. So I'm going to close out of this, and then I'm going to scroll down, and what I'm going to do is I want this menu to appear on the footer of every page. So I'm going to drag it and place it in the footer. Okay, our next step is then to be able to size this and style it the way that we want. So I'm going to right click on it. First, I'm going to click on Appearance. So what I want to do is I'm going to first of all delete this, and then I'll re-add it just to show you how this works. So what we want to do is we want to be able to style certain menus, because we may have menus that appear somewhere else on the website. So I want to add a style, and I'm just going to call this Legal Pages, because the pages I want to add to the links in this menu are referring to the legal pages of my site. So I'm going to click on Confirm, and I do that. So now it appears here. Now what I want to do is click on the gear icon to show you some things. But what we're going to do is I'm going to first add the menu items first, and then we'll come back to this. So we come back here to our element, our menu element. I'll right click on it, and I want to edit the menu items. Now you have different options here. You can either add a direct link to an outside website, or you can click on My Pages, which is what we're going to do. So I'm going to click on that, and it'll pull up a list of all the pages that I currently have on my website. So what I'm going to do is, since this is referring to our legal pages, I'm going to check mark my legal pages and then select Confirm. And right now, you could actually reorder them by clicking on these and dragging them anywhere that you want. You can leave them in the same order, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to click on Save. Actually, I'm going to click on Confirm. And as you can see down here on the bottom, it put links to my pages. So what I want to do is I want to now edit this or style this to what I want. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on it again, click on Appearance, click the gear icon for this particular style. And what I want to do is I won't go through all these options, but let's just go through one of them to show you how you could space in between each text area that we have down here. So what I want to do is I want to be able to have more spacing between each item here. So I'm going to click on Menu Spacing, Horizontal item spacing. And if you look down towards the bottom, you can see how it spaces things out for you. So I'm going to click on the X. Everything's fine. We're going to save it and then preview it. And then you'll be able to see how this all works. So I'm going to preview it. If I scroll down, as you can see, it's in the footer. If I click on this, it's going to bring me to that particular page. If I scroll down, you'll see you'll have the footer menu down here also on this page. If I click on this one, the same thing's going to happen. So if I scroll down, you'll see the footer appear down on every single page, and you'll also see this menu item here. Because anything that you put in the footer will appear in the footer on every single page. So that's how you could add a menu to your footer that links to other pages on your website using the Builderall platform. I want to thank you for stopping by today. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.